Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you Outlook Associate 2019 Practice Exam 2 on training mode. Create an audio event with the following information, then save and close. So title, day retreat, location, convention center, a week, start time a week from today. So a week from today means count 7 days from the day that it was stated, from the date that it was today. So this seems like a calendar task. So calendar, new items, all day event, title, day retreat, convention center, week from today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then save and close. Update the contact information of Aaron Lee to include the following information for his home address. It all stays right here. So let's go to the people. Aaron Lee is right over here. So let's click into it. And his home is right over here. So this states a little bit more information. So I'm guessing show all fields. Yes, I am currently stumbling upon this one. Since I don't know really how to do this, I'm just going to go to the help button. But then, oh, select the home address button. Okay. So from here, I don't really know how to get to when that states the street text area, the city, the state, the province. So from what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to show and then all fields. How did I get to here is address field. From here, I see like the name and the value. So that's how I will do it. But if I get like a what's the word called? If I get a wrong, then I'll figure it out. So from 3 to, it's gonna let me type. So from now, I'm just gonna do state and province. Home address, so home street. It doesn't even let me click in. Okay. So street. The cost. I'm gonna reset it. So right now I have resetted the whole entire thing because I am completely stumbling on it. I'm so sorry. You guys can just skip through this if you guys don't want to see me stumbling through it and want straight to the answers. And from here, show. This is already set to the home address. So there should be something else that's going to pop up. Unless there's something bigger. Which there isn't. Okay. So I'm still going to go to details, but details does not show anything else. Show all fields. And since this is a home one, home address, bench, fort, it doesn't even let me type the street address. Postal code, let me see if that actually lets me. 908-720. Country and region, United States. Of America, hopefully I spelled that correct, which I did. And it still doesn't even let me open a street text area. State the province, okay. That one is New Jersey. It still doesn't even let me do the street address. So I definitely think I might be in the wrong place. But let's just check this out to see if I have done it correctly. Hopefully Mike is gonna put a solution up for this. So this one, it says an action group, save and close. Let me see if everything got saved. It seems like it did. Save and close. This is definitely incorrect, but I'm going to continue on. And that will just leave you guys one question wrong. Modify. And on my next video, I'll show you how to do this one. So sorry it took 10 years to do that question and I still got it wrong. I hope this helps you, and if it doesn't, I am so sorry. Have a great day for now, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.